Hello, good day. Assalamu alaikum. So today we're going to begin with Introduction to Biotechnology, Chapter 1. So a lot of you guys are confused on what is the definition of biotechnology. The name itself, biotechnology, suggests that it is a technology that you use to manipulate living things, bio and technology. So in order for you to improvise the condition or characteristics of that living thing. For example, if let's say you have food that you want to increase the vitamin A content, vitamin E content, so you do a little bit manipulation towards the plant, such as gamma irradiation or something like that. So you will actually improve the condition of the plant. And also, you probably want to produce enzymes so that you can use it for daily life. Okay, for example, the dishwashing liquid you have at home, some of them are produced by enzyme, and this enzyme comes from bacteria. So the bacteria produces enzymes such as lipase or proteases, which are able to cleave proteins and lipids so that the oils and dirt on your dish at home will be clean. There are several types of biotechnology, such as food biotechnology, animal biotechnology, environmental biotechnology, and health and medicine biotechnology, among the rest. Okay, so we have several other more. So in food biotechnology, the examples are the making of bread and wine, cheese, tempeh, and some other types of food that involves fermentation. And we can see that it has been for a long time ago that we have been using fermentation in order for us to make food. Next one, we move on to health and medicine, where you have the examples of the use of vaccine. So vaccine is a type of something that you inject to your body, but actually comes from some other sources, such as bacteria and viruses, where the bacteria and viruses are either killed or attenuated or weakened to be put into the host so that the host will confer resistance toward that particular viruses or bacteria. Next one, you have the production of insulin. Before this, the production of insulin comes from swine sources because they are the closest that mimics to human. Next one, we have environmental biotechnology, which is, for example, you have the use of microorganisms to treat oil spillage in the ocean. So what they do is they take some of these microorganisms who eat oil or produce enzyme that basically can cleave the oil. So that is one of the technology they use, which is by the production of enzyme from this bacteria to treat this oil spillage. So why do we need to study biotechnology in plants? So in order for you to understand that biotechnology is very important to plants, because biotechnology can really help in increasing the performance of a plant. For example, if you want to increase the vitamin E content in oil palm, okay, so you can have to figure out something in the gene so it basically expresses more vitamin E. There is one example where a roselle, which is a plant, has been irradiated with gamma ray. So once it was irradiated with gamma ray, it eventually becomes mutated, and the expression of the mutant is it has higher vitamin E content. And also probably you want to produce your plant a lot faster, so this time around you will require tissue culture in order to help you to clone lots and lots of your plants, so that you will need it you will not require a lot of time to cultivate one by one manually. So you have tissue culture that you do it in the lab once it has grown enough at its age, so you can already put it in the field. Can you give me one of the examples of problems that may be faced by the planters out there?